So hey there, welcome to Gyansangam. Today we are with the question. You can see this is an inequality. So let's solve this. First of all, I can see this ridiculous thing. As we know, we don't have any negative roots. So from here, I can make a conclusion that x will be always less than 0. X can't be 0 also, as then denominator will be 0. That is also another undefined thing. So if x is less than 0, then putting x is equals to negative m for some m greater than 0. Let's put in the equation. So negative m, negative 3 to the power negative of mod negative m by negative m whole root of negative m negative 4 whole square into pi minus negative m whole divided by whole root of negative m into minus m square plus negative m minus 1 into mod of negative m minus 9, that is less than 0. Let us solve further. That will give negative of m plus 3. You can say this power is just a 1 into m plus 4 into pi plus m whole divided by root m multiply by m square plus m plus 1. I will take a negative common. This negative cancels, and divided by m minus 9 is less than 0. So we can see this part. This is always positive. So I have to see only this part. 1 by m minus 9 is less than 0. So this part should be less than 0. So m should be less than 9. Negative x should be less than 9. X should be great. Wait. M should be less than 9 and x should be greater than negative 9, sorry. And then we have already said that x is less than 0. So x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 8, which has 8 elements in it. So 8 values. That's an answer.